Hi, in this video you're going to download the changed body rig that I've supplied in Sketchfab, and you're going to download this and bring it into Unreal to test, make sure it's all working. So I've got the zipped folder here and just going to extract it. Inside there is the FBX. This has got the Unreal Engine 5 updated mannequin rig, so it's got all the extra joints. So I'm making a new project here in Unreal using the third person template. I'm using Unreal Engine 5.3, but you can use 5 point whatever works. And you see, this is where you're going to be able to change to different models. So let me just show you changing to the mannequin here. And you can see, so the only thing that needs to be the same is the rig hierarchy. So I'm just going to check the one that we downloaded. Just dragging it in works. Okay, I need to change this to this skeletal structure. And just want to check this just in case there's any scale changes. Quick note to add, if you're using Maya, make sure you're using Maya in Z up. You can change that in the preferences. Don't worry about these minor warnings. Okay, go back to the blueprint and select the new mesh. Now you can see it's changed to our guy. So this is a good starting point, but we want to do something with this guy, so I'm going to import the same FBX. Bear in mind, using ZBrush, it's not rigged. Okay, there's no bones, we're just going to change the mesh. So you can still import the same FBX. It won't import any joints or bones, whatever you call them. Okay, so I'm doing some quick sculpting directly on the mesh. I'm not changing topology or subdividing, just the same topology as the base that you downloaded. Now this is good if you want to test concept art. You want to throw something quick on your character. It's the easiest way to get some quick results. So there he is, imported. He's got the exact same topology as the MetaHuman base. It's the same MetaHuman base that I sculpted on for the character that you download. Okay, so I'm importing both meshes. You can see there's a little bit of an offset, don't worry about that. So choose the base that you downloaded. I'm just changing some settings here so that we can see it better. So make sure you're using Maya and Z up. This is what I use for all my Unreal Engine stuff because I'm used to just working that way from the MetaHumans. It sets Maya to Z up. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. So I've got both meshes here, the original mesh and the modified mesh. I've hidden the modified mesh, but what I'm going to do is with the original mesh selected, make a new blend shape and then select the modified mesh and make a target, and you'll see that he moves like this. So we just have to freeze the rotation because ZBrush makes that change. And then when we slide, you've got him clothed. Not the best job of clothing, the feet are a bit bad, but it'll do for this purpose, especially if we're just testing. Okay, so let's close that. Oh, I'm going to lock these. Okay, close that, and this is the character we want to export. It's the same base, but there's a blend shape on it, right? It's been blended to this new form. Choose the hierarchy and export the hierarchy in the mesh. I'm just going to put them in the same place just for convenience. And those are the checkboxes I like to click just to make sure, and make sure animation's checked. So we're just going to import that one. I'll make a new folder just for managing. So you see where this is going. As soon as I import this, it should be good to use. Choose the skeleton and import. Then we're going to change the blueprint to this character and it should work. Again, just ignore those. Those are simply warnings because there's no skin weights on those particular joints, but it doesn't change a thing. I've changed to the new character and there he is.